Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified.
Happy birthday to... Can I hold it? You say what is mine is yours. So we cut this cake in the name of... Say it. You drunk cake, you didn't travel. Wait. We cut. And I'll stay Afia. Yeah? I don't like that.
Showing the cake.
I have to. No, we have to destroy the cake. I don't like that.
There's a box in the cake.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
What are we seeing? Take it out, take it out, take it out. Hey! Hey! Where they block?
Who has seen a box in the cake before?
Hey! Unwrap it, unwrap it, unwrap it, let's go. Unwrap. This one there's dollars. Hey! Holy master! Holy master!
Come and see my birthday cake!
Holy the master! Hey! Wow! Radiant! Radiant! 12 Pro Max. $12 Pro Max.
Well, behind this size will come out.
12 Pro Max.
So we open this box. See my name on it, Queen Valentina.
Wow.
That's coming from. Yeah. Look at it. Look at it. It's my name. Gosh. But you like cake too much. This beautiful cake is from my mother, Reverend Mrs. Obofua. She's such a lovely woman and a great support for my beautiful daughter, Penna. Mommy, we are very, very grateful. God bless you. God bless you and Daddy. This is too much. And by the way, this cake got here 5 a.m. 5 a.m. And I'm going to cut this cake to the glory of the Lord. Thank you so much, Mommy. Happy birthday, the media. I can't forget that. I'm trying to. Hey! She's a party. And I'm new to the area of the GNS. The one who see pretty with the pen, I can't use it. So. We cut this one right there. I said, I'm crying to get you there. What be a man of them? And I will pray a friend, and I will birthday. And we will into the very now. Happy birthday to. Can I hold it? You say what is mine is yours. So we cut this cake in the name of. Say it. You're drinking cake, you didn't draw. Wait. We cut. And I'll stay Afia. Yeah? I don't like that. I have to. No, we have to destroy the cake. I don't like that.
Box in the cake.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
What are we seeing? Take it out, take it out, take it out. Hey! Hey! Where they block?
Who has seen a box in the cake before?
Hey! Unwrap it. Unwrap it, let's go. Unwrap. This one there's dollars. Hey! Totally master. Totally master. Totally master, they are punching by totally the master. Hey! No. Where there? 12 Pro Max. Or dollars. 12 Pro Max or dollars.
Well, behind this size will come out.
12 Pro Max dollars gold chain. Hey! Gold.
See my name on it, Queen Valentina.
Wow.
That's us coming from. Yeah.
Mommy.
Look at it.
What's your name?
It's my name. Gosh. Because you like it too much. Holy Moses. This is so beautiful.
Wow.
So adorable.
Wow.
And this is not gonna leave my neck again because this is so anointed too. Mommy, I love you. I cherish this. And I wear this for the rest of my life. Thank you.
Wow.
Plus. Make I trust a food you go free me Brahmin. Plus was on take us.
Wow.
Papa no.
Papa no.
Somebody's
Your friend is saying.
I'm Henry.
That's
Oh! The best birthday gifts. From what a timing.
Hello.
Happy birthday to me. The timing is so perfect.
Too perfect.
The timing is too perfect.
Thank you.
And you're going to show Ghanaians that music will be the mistake and I knew you. Thank you, Cheesy Pizzo.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
You have come and my voice went to.
Oh, when they come back, let us know.
Yeah, you should be delivering to them in school.
No
Don't put
problem.
these apart.
No problem.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Schwar.
Happy birthday, Queen Schwar.
Oh, I'm so
On
grateful.
behalf, my name is Daniel PR for Cheesy Pizza. And on behalf of the CEO of Cheesy Pizza, Mr. Edwin Cotty.
Mr. Edwin Cotto. Oh my goodness gracious. Pizza and who are calling me. Cheesy pizza for life. But you're going to be delivery girl. Right?
No problem. It's our vouchers, mom. We have been lasted 3 months.
My holy Moses.
Aye.
My children will be eating pizza. Happy birthday. You don't know. See ya. Cheesy pizza, thank you. I'm so grateful. And oh my God, the aroma, adorable. This smells good. And it was Aisha Shaributu. As I always do every year, I'm here to present myself to my father, Sheikh Osman Shaributu. What the fuck?
I am bloody.
I am bloody. Me no none I want to say no answer you. Come on.
Okay, no problem. You have a phone. I just want to receive them. What time is that? It's in West Napa now. Oh, no.
Shut that front.
One cameraman, one place.
Can I take off your coat?
ba farkon ta zuwa ne duk masu kawo ruwa nan ga ita da kawo su amma ita da kanta ita da kanta tana ruwa amma addu'a da kai mata wallahi wai addu'a na ai
For the rest of your life, this means you know.
wai yanzu in ruwa ga ta kawo inda kare ta kawo wani kuma
If you don't deal with them, you are more firm. I'm not bike.
wai ran da muke bi na ruwa mu kira ta kawo wata wata ta
So, Sala, soon I'm going to be crying.
oh definitely wai ranar sallah kuma da wani abu mu kira ta kawo abin da insha Allah yau ni birthday ta
1 year.
yau 1 year
So,
shekara okay mun take amin amin Allahumma amin 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 Amin.